what's going on, guys? This is Gabe2400 coming back at you with another video. I'm just coming real quick to bring you some updates as to what's going to be happening to this channel because, well, I have some not so great news, unfortunately. So, anyways, as y'all know, I've been, pretty busy the last 2 weeks of July. I didn't really post that much just because I was at my 2-week drill duty, and there's nothing you can do there. You get home, you have to shower, you have to get ready for the next day. It is what it is, y'all. So this weekend I was also at drill again, just, again, doing my duty, getting my stuff done. So, as much as I'd like to say I'll be bringing more LEGO Star Wars content soon, I'm going to have to be unfortunately saying the opposite. Because this week, y'all, I'm going to be going back to school. Or, excuse me, following this week and this weekend, I'm going to be going back to school. Right? I'm going to be back on my campus, in my dorm, hitting the grind soon again with more classes. And as a music major, you are always busy. You're learning music theory, you're performing in your ensemble, you're helping out around the music department with different stuff, as well as I got my work study there to help me pay my dang bills. And so y'all it's real life, y'all. And there's not much you can do about it. Especially for those y'all here that are my viewers and subscribers that are, I don't want to say, on the younger side, but, for those of y'all that, are younger than me and, y'all haven't hit college yet, I'm just letting y'all know right now. It just is what it is. It's just, again, right now, enjoy what y'all are doing in life right now. Enjoy your channels. Some of y'all in particular, I love y'all's Lego creations and, your big old... Which one of y'all is the one with, the huge Lego city? And is it Hammerhead Studios? Yeah, you, brother, enjoy what you and the other people in your studio are doing right now. Enjoy it. And the same thing to other people Happy Bricks Lego and I think a few others Fire Skull Studios. Seriously, I'm not saying don't get discouraged. Have fun with what y'all are doing, but just when y'all get to where I am, you're gonna see holy shoot, it gets real. So what kind of content can you guys expect to see on the channel in the coming months? Unfortunately, less frequent uploads for one. Number two, probably not too many stop motion animations because I'll be, one, filming other videos for my, music, for my video minor classes because that's what my minor is. And then probably some funny skits like what I do with my dad, like how Grease should have ended and stuff. I'll probably be doing that with my friends. Probably some parodies. Hey, actually, for real, if any of y'all follow me on Instagram as well, send me some parody ideas, y'all. What do you want me to make parodies about? So, and kind of stuff like that. So, times are changing, tides are changing, so there's gonna be a change in content for a while. So it's just gonna be during the school year, then probably next summer I'll release some more LEGO Star Wars videos. Then the next school year comes and I'll have to, unfortunately, just adjust accordingly with what the times are like. So, just wanted to bring that quick update to y'all so that I don't, stop uploading LEGO Star Wars or, LEGO animations and you are like, oh, wait, why is he stopping uploading that? It's because it's real life, y'all. So, other than that, I hope y'all are really having a blessed day. And, please keep on building. Never stop building. So be sure to subscribe and turn on those post notifications if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram. My handle's down in the description. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time.